Digital Signal Process. DSP or Digital Signal Processor is type of assembly language that can computerized gesture processor planned explicitly for gesture, preparing calculations. Heaps of normal number scrunching on Aimee, regularly composed by hand. And last, considered guidance level alikeness. So what is Digital Signal Processor? Digital Signal Processor are microprocessor with the following characteristics. A real-time digital processing capabilities. DPS typically have to process data in real time. Example, the correctness of the operation depends heavily on the time when GG data processing is completed. B. High throughput L. DSP can sustain processing of high-speed streaming data, such as audio and multimedia data processing. C. Deterministic operation. The execution of DSP programs can be foreseen accurately, thus guarantee a repeatable, desired performance. And last, Reho to GRAN ability by software. Different system behavior might be obtained by recording the algorithm executed by the DSP instead by hardware modification. So traffic signal is example of DSP that can run on Emulator 8086. The traffic system in 8086 was programming with 4 sides, which are south, east, north, and west. Number 2. This system is connected into port number. Number 3. Each side need 3 light bits to control the traffic. J. Number 4. The overall lights is 12, so it is required to send out or received in a 12 bits. And last, therefore, a 16-bit word will be sent out or received in the system. The first step is to build a program that will regulate the traffic light in a timed loop without using the vehicle detection. The loop should allow north-south traffic to flow for 4 south, then east-west traffic for 4 south, then pedestrian traffic for 4 south, and repeat. Appropriate transition from green to yellow to red lights should be made with reasonable time delays. The desired logic structure is shown in table. Traffic Light Emulator. A virtual traffic light system is available in Emulator 8086 with port address 4. It consists of 12 LEDs with an animation of car moving in direction where green LED is activated. The state of each LED are 1 LED is turned on, 0 LED is turned off. And last, a control word can be provided using Emulator 8086 to change the signal color. Traffic light simulation and mechaneprogram. Start traffic light. Name traffic. MOVAX, all red. MOV is instruction copies the data item referred to by its second operand into Lagunias referred to by its operand. Example registered content, memory contents, or constant value. Out for X. This instruction is used to sending out a byte 8 bits or world 16 bits from the accumulator to a certain port. Also, this instruction could be used direct and indirect mode as shown below. MOVSI, offset situation. SI is called source index and D is destination index. As the name follows, SI is always pointed to the source array and D is always pointed to the destination. This is usually used to move a block of data, such as records or structures and arrays. Next. Int is an assembly language instruction for x86 processors that generates a software interrupt. It takes the interrupt number formatted as a byte value. Add instruction adds together its 2 operands, storing the result in its first operand. CMPN instruction compares 2 operands. It is generally used in conditional execution. JB instruction branches to the address specified in the second operand if the value of the bit specified in the first operand is 1. While JMP instruction performs an unconditional jump. Such an instruction transfers the flow of execution by changing the program counter.